through the trees, moonlight dancing softly on the sea. A woman in white calling out my name, then disappearing like a burning flame. I feel a shadow close to me, a restless soul that can't break free. Her silent tears fall with the rain, calling my heart again, again. Oh, ghost woman, why are you calling me? Drifting like a shadow across the sea, haunting my dreams with your mystery, lost in the echoes of memory. Down the old road where the lantern sways, people say she walks there night and days. A broken promise keeps her spirit near, singing sad songs only ghosts can hear. I hear a voice in the midnight air, a lonely cry of deep despair. She reaches out but fades from sight, lost in the darkness of the night. Oh, ghost woman, why are you calling me? Drifting like a shadow across the sea, haunting my dreams with your mystery, lost in the echoes of memory. Chains of love lost in eternity. Oh, ghost woman, now I set you free, sailing like a spirit across the sea.